What is RBAC in Kubernetes? Suppose you can say single misconfiguration in Kubernetes can result in the complete deletion of an entire cluster. So this underscores the crucial role of Kubernetes role-based access control by safeguarding against such potential risks. That's where Kubernetes RBAC comes in. Suppose we have the main key concept before going to the right. So that is role. So that's where we can define the set of rules within the namespace. So then cluster role cluster role similar to the role, but it applies to the entire cluster. Then role binding. So role binding in the sense it assigns a role to the user or service account within the namespace. Cluster role binding. So cluster role binding, so assigns a cluster role that is based on the cluster wide resources. Then subjects. So this is the subjects in the sense you can assign these roles to the users, groups or service accounts that obtain the permissions. Now we can write the simple example for role. So pod reader access, and we need to go with the pod creation, right? Earlier I have shown this one, and this is for something different. We need to use the RBAC authorization dot k8s not io k8s.io./v1. This is the API version for the RBAC, and we need to write the kind is pod, and metadata we need to provide metadata name and namespace. We can give pod reader, I can say pod reader, and namespace we can give demo or something, whatever it is. Under spike we need to provide the API groups for this. Under rules, okay, rules, now we can provide the API groups. Here we need to provide the API groups that is for the default category will come, and if not default category you need to specify that, okay. And resources in the sense for what you have been creating. So I'm creating for the pods, okay, I need to mention the pods. And verbs finally. So verbs in the sense we need to provide list, watch, because we have only reader access, right? Likewise we need to provide, then we need to provide the role binding object for the same. So this is the role binding object. So if full video is available in my YouTube channel, so you can find it there with the full explanation.